to Learning English tutorial channel. Today we have a new video about crime and punishment. Last time we talked about crime, and today we're going to talk about punishment in English language, how to express them in English and their counterparts in Arabic. If you are an ESL student, this video will help you most because it will increase your knowledge about basic English. أهلا بكم أصدقائي في قناة English in Brief. النهاردة معدنا مع فيديو جديد سوف نتحدث فيه عن العقوبة في اللغة الإنجليزية وكيف نعبر عنها وأيضا ما يماثلها في اللغة العربية. Okay. Punishment. Punishment. A way of making somebody suffer because they have broken the law or done something wrong. A way of making somebody suffer because they have broken the law or done something wrong. Punishment. العقوبة. Death penalty. Capital punishment. Death penalty. Capital punishment. Punishment of death. Death penalty. Capital punishment. عقوبة الإعدام. A prison sentence. A prison sentence. Imprisonment. Life in prison or lifer. A prison sentence. السجن. عقوبة السجن. Life in prison or lifer. السجن مدى الحياة. المؤبد. A suspended sentence. A punishment given to a criminal in court. That means that they will only go to prison if they commit another crime within a particular period of time. Suspended sentence. A punishment given to a criminal in court. That means that they will only go to prison if they commit another crime within a particular period of time. A suspended sentence. حكم مع إيقاف التنفيذ. Forfeiture. The act of giving a property up as a consequence of something that you've done. Forfeiture. The act of giving a property up is a consequence of something that you've done. Forfeiture. مصادرة. Fine. A sum of money that must be paid as a punishment for breaking a law or rule. A sum of money that must be paid as punishment for breaking a law or rule. Fine. غرامة. Hospital order. Hospital order. To confine somebody in hospital under arrest. To confine somebody in hospital under arrest. Hospital order. أمر احتجاز في المستشفى. House arrest. House arrest. Imprisoned in one's house rather than in prison. Imprisoned in one's house rather than in prison. House arrest. إقامة جبرية. A license suspension. Withholding a person's right to use their driving license for a period of time. A license suspension. Withholding a person's right to use their driving license for a period of time. A license suspension. تعليق رخصة القيادة. License revocation. To take away someone's driving license. License revocation. To take away someone's driving license. License revocation. سحب الرخصة. Community service. Punishment by doing community work. Community service. Punishment by doing community work. Community service. خدمة المجتمع. Thank you guys. I hope you liked the video. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to press like and subscribe to my channel so the new videos can arrive to you as soon as I publish them. Okay, goodbye and thank you for your time.